Just like Nagisa, what can I say? I'm sorry, but I'm afraid I don't know what's causing it. If Nagisa's condition was any indication, she could be sick like this for months.
I don't get it. She was fine, just the other day.
Well, I've done all I can.